I'm going to show you how to play Kahoot. So first I'm going to show you how to play Kahoot if you are maybe like a student in a classroom and someone else has started a Kahoot already and you want to just join and play. And to do that, all you need to do is open a new tab and go to kahoot.it. When you get here, it's actually going to go ahead and ask you for the game pin. And what you can actually do is get the game pin from whoever is running the Kahoot game, and you can just enter that in and click the enter button, and you'll be able to select a name and join the Kahoot, and you can play that way. Now, just for the sake of demonstrations, I am going to leave this open, and I'm also going to show you how you can start your own Kahoot game. So what you need to actually do is you need to go to kahoot.com, not kahoot.it, and what you would want to do is sign up for an account. Now, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in instead, but if not, you can sign up for a free account. So I have my account with my Google account, so I'm just going to go ahead and click continue with Google. And this is going to log me into my own account. Now, you want to make sure that you are under the Discover tab, and under this tab, there are actually a lot of pre-made Kahoots already here. If you want to make your own Kahoot, you can just click Create, and I do have another YouTube video that shows you how to create your own Kahoot. But let's say I just want to start another Kahoot and just play, maybe with some friends or something like that. Let's say I just want to go into the trivia section, and let's just do general trivia, for example. And what we can actually do is click the start button and we can go ahead and start our own Kahoot. It's going to ask us how many players are joining, and we just have the basic free plan, so that lets up to 10 players join. So I'm just going to stick with that since that is free. And I can click continue and it's going to go ahead. Now you can either do classic mode where essentially each person versus everyone else, or team mode if there are teams of multiple people. I'm just going to go ahead and do classic mode, and it'll actually go ahead and load it up. And like I mentioned, there was a game pin, and you can actually go ahead and see there is the game pin that popped up right here. And so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to copy this game pin, and I'm just going to go ahead into the other tab that we had opened that I showed you as a player you have to have, which is kahoot.it. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this game pin in. So 305 5200 5206. And then I'm just going to put in the nickname. I'm just going to put sample name. And we'll actually see my name popped up right here. And let's say we just want to go ahead and start. And so this is the instructor view where we just started it, and then it's going to go ahead and pop up with the title. Now as a player, it shows get ready, and it's going to essentially just load. We just need to go ahead and wait for the game to continue loading. Here there you can see there's a countdown. It's just about to start in a second, I would say. Now, as you can see, it's showing question 1 is about to get right here. And so now we only see as a player the options, but if we go on the original screen, we can actually see the question. So what is the world's largest river by volume? So what we want to do is we know it's the Amazon River, so that's the yellow circle. So as a player, we're just going to go and click the yellow circle. And as you can see, that answer was correct, and it'll show on the person who's running the game that this was the answer that was correct, and it'll show how many people got each answer. Then they can go and click the next question, and you'll see a scoreboard pops up, and then you can click next again. And then you'll see a second question pops up, and it'll ask the question again. So what's the world's biggest country by area? And again, we know the answer is the green square for this one, so we can just click that. And it'll say that we're correct again, and so on and so forth. So this is how you can go ahead and play Kahoot. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Now, if you do have any questions or if you still are unsure about anything, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you with a response to your question.